Mav fam, I'm back! Back with another video about mastering workplace communication and how you can improve it using AI-powered tools. Because we all know how quickly a workplace turns toxic when the communication doesn't flow well, don't we? Maybe a colleague, a leader in the workplace you know is really bad at communicating, and maybe you find this frustrating. Maybe you're the one that struggles to express your thoughts appropriately. Well, in this video, I'm fully going to express and communicate the importance AI-powered tools have to enhance your communication skills, which are skills that can make or break your career. And effective communication isn't just about exchanging words. It's about building trust, resolving conflicts, and driving collaboration. But here's the real challenge. In today's fast-paced work environment, poor communication can lead to misunderstandings, missed opportunities, and even lost revenue. The good news? AI-powered tools can actually take your communication skills to the next level. Whether you're drafting emails, giving presentations, or collaborating with a team, these tools are game changers. So by the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies and AI resources to help you master workplace communication and become the go-to person in your organization. Let's get started. Why AI is a game changer for workplace communication, Mavericks. I need this message to really get across to those of you who may be avoiding using AI for your personal or professional development plan. Because I will repeat this over and over that AI isn't just for tech geeks. Yes, sure, they brought AI to us, and it feels too futuristic. But please understand that the same tech geeks who created the AI did so with you in mind. They have tried to develop AI that is easy and friendly to use. And once you start using it, you'll see how much it can really support your efforts. AI is useful to anyone who wants to save time, work smarter, and communicate effectively. In this instance, AI-powered tools can help you draft clearer messages, analyze tone, and even automate repetitive communication tasks. Imagine never worrying about crafting the perfect email or remembering the key points from a meeting. AI has your back. Actionable steps to master workplace communication. Here's how you can leverage AI to transform your communication at work. Step 1. Write clear and effective emails with AI tools. Use tools like Grammarly and Jasper to draft professional, error-free emails. For example, if you're writing a pitch to a client, Jasper can help you structure your message, while Grammarly ensures it's polished and free of typos. Here is a pro tip. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite your email for a more professional or persuasive tone. Just paste your draft and watch it work its magic. Step 2. Streamline team collaboration with AI platforms like Slack and Microsoft Teams. Now have built-in AI tools to summarize conversations, prioritize messages, and even suggest action items. After a lengthy team discussion, use Slack's AI to generate a summary of key points and assign tasks automatically. This keeps everyone aligned and saves time. Step 3. Use AI for better presentations. Create engaging presentations in minutes with tools like Beautiful.ai and Canva. These platforms use AI to suggest layouts, graphics, and even animations that suit your content. For example, if you're presenting quarterly results, Beautiful.ai can help you visualize data in a way that's easy to understand and visually stunning. Step 4. Leverage AI for language and cultural sensitivity. Whether you're communicating with international clients or colleagues, tools like DeepL ensure your translations are accurate and context-appropriate. Whether you're sending an email to a team in Japan, DeepL can translate your message while maintaining cultural nuances, so nothing gets lost in translation. Step 5. Automate meeting notes and follow-ups. Stop scrambling to take notes during meetings. Tools like Otter.ai and Fireflies.ai transcribe your meetings, highlight key points, and even draft follow-up emails. And here's another pro tip. After a brainstorming session, use these tools to share action items with your team instantly. Hacks and insider tips. Here are a few quick hacks to level up your workplace communication with AI. 1. Analyze your tone. Use Grammarly's tone detector to ensure your message is coming across as intended. 2. Practice active listening. Use meeting transcription tools to review key points and show your team you're paying attention. 3. Stay consistent. Use AI scheduling tools like Clockwise to plan regular check-ins and maintain open communication with your team. Mavericks. Workplace communication is more than a skill. It's a superpower that can set you apart and drive your career forward. With AI, mastering this superpower is easier and faster than ever. But I must caution you, AI is wonderful, and its power of articulation is like no other. But just because AI can do all these things for you does not mean you can just disengage your own brain from the process. Have you ever struggled to convey something important, but the words, or more importantly, the right words fail you? You may not be able to articulate your thoughts, but inside your head, you have the full understanding of what it is you're trying to say. When you use AI for articulation, it's still important for you to understand generally what ChatGPT or any other AI has produced for you. You need to understand enough to relay the information in layman terms. Don't get caught out when tested. Well, that's it for this video, Mav fam. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It's the best way to stay ahead in your career journey. There's now a small library of videos on personal, career, or professional development related videos like this on my channel. So if you want to watch more videos like this while waiting for my new upload, subscribe. Are you looking for personalized support or guidance in your personal and professional growth and development journey? I can help. Reach out to me if you want one-to-one coaching and email me at hello@thejobsearchmaverick.com. Thank you for being part of the Maverick community. Remember, the ability to communicate effectively is within your reach and ability. AI is just here to help you shine. Stay bold, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make things happen.